While the European emissions trading system is a very great system, there are also very grave problems connected to it. For one, what has happened is that instead of reducing our overall CO2 emissions, what happened was that we exported these CO2 emissions. Instead of manufacturing our products in Europe, we started manufacture them more and more in China. However, the US has not signed the Kyoto Protocol, and China has signed the Kyoto Protocol, but China has no limitations on their climate gas emissions. So that means while China and the US actually stand for the majority of CO2 and other climate gas emissions, they do not have to pay for the emissions of this. This means that the European industry gets hit and gets less competitive, while the others can pollute more and more. So the current way of looking at this, by reducing more and more our own carbon emissions, is not a good way. We will make our own industry less and less competitive, while the others can still continue to pollute. Therefore, in my view, what would be needed is some carbon duties or a carbon tax, that when you actually calculate the embodied CO2 of a product, that you tax this. And not only should you tax the embodied CO2 of a product, you should also tax the transport that it costs to transport this good from, for example, China to Europe.